Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus 15 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list and here, no, let me go to my contacts. And here we have to scroll and find the contact which we would like to customize. So let me pick John. Then after tapping on it, we have to choose this edit icon, so pencil icon. And here we've got different categories, so we've got the calling card and the picture. So let me focus on picture, however this operation is similar like here, so you'll be able to customize both. So let me tap on this plus icon, and here we've been transferred to different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So we can enter our own gallery. We can also open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. We can choose Monogram, so we can use the first letter of the name, surname, or both. It's up to you, because you can tap on it and customize it. You can enter another letter here. We can change the background color and the font. Moreover, here we've got this emoji option, so let's tap on it. Now tap on the circle and you can choose from the full list of emojis, so you can find something interesting. You can change the background color also, but you can also set the monochrome option. So now we've got the emoji, and after choosing this option, it is more icon-like, and as you can see, it might differ quite a lot. Alright. So this is how it works, and here we've got also illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have a photo of someone and you don't feel like using Monogram or emoji, you can try to find something here. So let me tap on this opossum option. Here we've got also the preset, so we can change the colors. Moreover, we can crop the picture, not only the illustration but also the photo from the camera or gallery. We can zoom it in or out, we can change the position of it, and thanks to it we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted circle is responsible for it. So position it just like you want to and then tap on choose. Now let's tap on save in the right upper corner, and this is how our contact will look like. Of course, we will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.